Hey, good people, how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. I have a bunch of peppers that I got from our community garden. It was my first visit. I took my grandson and we picked peppers and some eggplant and some squash. So I have a bunch of peppers and I'm not sure what kind they are. I think I know jalapeno, got a few of those, but I think they're serrano chili, I believe. And then the other ones I don't know. But I want to string them so that they can dry. I'm not ready to use them yet. I don't feel like chopping them up, freezing them or anything like that. So I'm going to hang these for the first time. Try hanging these to see how they dry. So hold on, and I'll take you down. Okay, so this is what I have. Now these are quite big. I could have Googled them to see what they are. I don't know. So I have some nylon thread, and I put a knot in the base of it. And I'm just going to string it through the stem. From what I saw on videos, that needle in there, string it through the stem. And is that it? Yeah, I don't want that to pull through. I don't think it'll pull through. So I'm just going to keep stringing them. So I'm going to put these big ones on one. But I had them in the refrigerator. I washed them and I stored them in the refrigerator until now. And they said they'll fall in place. They'll lay right once you string them. So we're going to see. I think this is going to be kind of heavy with these large ones. So I'm just going to put these large ones on here. I got a big needle with a big eye, so I won't have a problem with it. Okay, okay. Let's see. There we go. Move this thread and just keep it moving. These large ones I started to cut up and use. These would be nice stuffed, but it's Saturday and I'm outside and I got things to do, so I am not cooking a thing today. And I don't want them to waste. Don't want them to go bad. Although I know I got a little time. But tomorrow's Sunday, who knows what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Oh, can't get this one in there. There we go. Couple more. Now they're not supposed to have blemishes. You're supposed to check them and make sure there's no soft spots or blemishes. Would y'all call that a blemish on the stem? You think it's still dry right? I don't know. I'm gonna hang it anyway. Or maybe I shouldn't do this one. I don't know. I'm going for it. If it rots, I'll just pull it off. I don't know if it's gonna rot or not. We'll see. Okay. This one, and then I'm gonna put this. This one's kind of large, but it's a smaller large. We'll put that one on there and be done. Okay, one more. Alrighty, now what do I do? So let me lift this up. Let me see what it's looking like. Oh boy, and this nylon thread is real durable. It's like outside thread, so it's real strong. And they say you can use cotton thread. Uh-oh, what I do? You can use twine, um, dental floss. Okay, look at that, y'all. I done strung some doggone peppers. Now, how do you tie this end off so I can hang them? Um, let's see. I'm gonna wrap this one. I'm gonna wrap this one a little bit and then go underneath it. Go underneath it, and then what? Then I'm gonna tie it off. Take that needle off. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's do it. I want a loop. I want some kind of loop so I can hang them. So I'm gonna draw this up like this, and then tie this part in a knot. There we go. Tie that in a knot, and then I'll tie this excess. I mean, I'll cut this excess off. I know it's gonna take quite a bit of time for these to dry, but I'm curious and I want to know. I always see these hanging in people's kitchens, and I just want to try it. Look, y'all, look. So I'm just gonna hang it right here on the side for now, and let's see. And in the house where I'm gonna hang them, I don't know. I think a dark, cool place, but then someone had them hanging in their kitchen window, so I don't know where to hang them. I'm gonna do a little more research. Let me tie another knot. This is a small string. It's not very long, but I can get something on here. Get a good knot in the bottom. Thread it, and let's do maybe some red ones. I don't know. or some of the small green ones. Let's just see. I don't want to mix them. I want to put all red on one, all green on the other. So, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do green ones because these are smaller and I can get more on this small string that I have. Uh-oh. Okay, so there's the first one. Let's keep going. Should be able to move a little faster, maybe. I don't get things tangled up. Sewing peppers 101. Ah, okay. Okay, that's pretty long. All right, let me scoot my chair up a little bit. Make it a little closer. A little close and personal. Okay, get some more on here. Keep it moving. I probably won't do all these on camera, but I just wanted to show you what I was doing. Hang them up and see what they do, how they dry out. And then when they dry out, I can use them in my foods, or I can crush them and put them in a jar. Maybe, I guess. Make my own damn spices. How about that? Okay, look at there, look at there. It's coming along. I can get more on here. Got a lot of peppers. I really was looking for the jalapeno peppers, but most of those weren't ready yet. So I took advantage of these. That community garden is awesome. Next time I go, I'm going to film, I suppose. I had my grandson, and he didn't want to be on camera at the time because he didn't comb his hair and all that kind of stuff. But he had a ball in there. Didn't think he would like it, but he was helping pick everything. He had his own basket and snippers, clippers, or whatever you call them, to get the vegetables. Trying to find smaller ones. That's weird looking. Well, these are bigger, longer. Guess it doesn't matter. Okay, what are we doing? What are we doing? Look at that. Keep going. Get a few more on here and then I'll tie a slip knot. Is that enough? I guess. Yeah, give me enough room to tie a slip knot. So, what did I do before? I wrapped it around. I'm gonna go through here one more time. Oh, 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 oh well. And then I'm gonna make a loop. See how'd I do that? I don't know. I'm just gonna do like this and tie it. I need something to hang it up with, so double knot it. Okay, there we go. How about that? Let me hang these over here. And I want to start with the red. Get some more string. I said when I wasn't gonna do all these on camera, but let me get some red ones and then I'll do the rest off camera. So I say, right? I always change my mind with things. Get a good knot in the bottom of it. Thread my needle. Yeah, now that's a big eye. I should be able to get that in there. There we go. All right, let's do the red. So I'll put this big one on the bottom. Whether that matters or not, I don't know. I didn't do enough research. I watched a few videos, and there was different ways to do them. Oh, different materials to use. Now see, this one's busted. So they said not to use those if they have blemishes or busted. So I'll have to use that in some cooking to clean that up and use it with something. I didn't cut that string very long. Get in there. Now, some of these stems are tough. Ooh, can't get it in there. Gotta wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. Okay. Yeah, I didn't cut this very long. Let's keep moving though. These are pretty, pretty, pretty. I actually think they're Serrano chili. Don't quote me though. Make sure you check that nothing's busted open and there's no holes in the peppers. Oh, that's pretty. Ha, that's pretty. Keep going. Probably gonna have to do two red ones. Yeah, got quite a few red down here. So I'll put a few more on here. More I can get on there. Some of these are pretty big. Oh, see that one's mushy right there. Can't use that one. That one has a hole in it right there. Can't use that one. Okay, this one's good. Is it good? Yeah. Oh, that's a tough little cookie. Get in there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Let's see how many more reds I have. Think I can get them on here? Nope. See, that one has some damage. This one doesn't. I think the older the stem is, the more tougher it gets. What's going on here? This one won't go down. What happened? I don't know. There we go. Can I get all these on here? This one, is it okay? Yeah, let's put that one on there. Just checking it. Looks fine. Doesn't have much of a stem though. I can get through this. Yep. Couple more. This one's good. This one's good. Uh-oh. That one came off. What happened? Look right through. There we go. What else we got in here? A couple more red. Oh, one, two, three. See if I can get these three on and be done. Stems on top. Could be because I've had them for a couple days. I didn't do them right away. Could be. All right, there's that one. This one look good. Yeah, see if I can get that through there. Ouch. And one more. This one's turning red, but I'll put it with the green one. This one look good. Okay, last one. Get it through this tough stem. There we go. Oh shoot. My needle came on thread. Unthreaded. Put that back in there. Come on, boo boo. All right, let's try this last one again. Oh, get needle off. Let me move this. Let me move this. Let me move these ones that are busted. I'm gonna cut those up and use them in the kitchen. Put them in the freezer bag probably. Come on, come on. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay, let me tie a knot. See what I do. We'll wrap this around and we'll go under and what? Tie a knot. I don't this way. Okay, now let's see if I can do a slip knot. I'm just gonna put the two together. And think. Hold on, hold on. Get this here. Come on, dude. Come on. Work with me. Okay. And then I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna double knot to make sure. La 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 la. Tying a knot 101. Come on. Oh my God. Only because I'm filming, right? There we go. So now I got a loop. And I can hang these up. Cool. All right, y'all. I'm gonna do the rest off camera and then I'll just give you a screenshot, a couple pictures of what they look like. And I don't know where I'm gonna hang them yet. So hold your horses, okay? Be back shortly.